In business, things go wrong. A computer freezes, a file gets corrupted, your VPN stops working. What separates great IT support from the rest? It is not if problems happen. It is how quickly and completely you fix them. It is something we call zero risk. Zero risk means this: your IT support team is trained, prepared, and empowered to handle anything. We don't just fix the immediate problem, we prevent it from happening again. We make it easy for you to reach us. And most importantly, we have protocols in place to make things right, fast. That is the Impress Computers guarantee. Zero risk organization, ready, reliable, making things right. Most IT problems fall into 5 categories. Let us look at how zero risk organizations handle each one. First, response time. Yvette from one of our clients said, "Every time we have a problem, the wait time is very minimal. We are talking minutes, not hours." Second, quick resolution. Tyler needed to recover critical CAD files. Our team jumped in, recovered everything, and he was back to work the same day. Third, quality work. We do not just patch things. Buddy fixed not just one issue, but helped prevent future problems. As one client said, they go above and beyond. Fourth, professionalism. Our team includes Paul, Joshua, Felice, Ryan, and Roy. These are not just technicians, they are trusted advisors. And fifth, transparency. Amy needed a laptop upgrade overnight. Our team offered a hassle-free solution that saved her time and money. Do not just take our word for it. Here is what our clients are saying. Christine Flores says, "Good job, buddy. Your actions were timely and professional. 5 stars. Preston Green notes, "We are a smaller business and still get the same attention as the big guys. 5 stars. Jennifer White shares, "Impress Computers is truly outstanding. Quick responses and expert solutions. 5 stars. And Keith Lazenby says, "Jodel jumped in at 12:30 a.m. to fix my VPN access. That is dedication. 5 stars. These are not isolated incidents. This is what zero risk looks like in action. Every day, every client, every problem. When you have a zero risk organization, here is what happens. Customers stay loyal, many for 10+ years. They refer new business and trust us for the long term. They trust you with their most critical systems. They know you will make it right, no matter what. That is not just good customer service, that is a business differentiator. Your business deserves IT support that prevents problems. Impress Computers, zero risk, always making it right. Ready to experience the difference? Contact us today.